on your Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition, if you want to change, add, or remove the default dictionary and use the one that provides you with a more relevant language options, in this video we're going to show you how you can do that. To check out your current dictionary list, swipe down your screen, go to All Settings, to Device Options, to Languages and Dictionaries. From there, go to Dictionaries. Here you will find all the existing dictionaries on your e-reader. Cross this section and from this home screen, tap on the Library button. In here at the end of the book list, tap on Dictionaries, and here find the dictionary that you want to add to your list. To download it, just tap on it. Now if you want to delete the dictionary from your collection, just tap on this three-dot menu and then just tap on Remove Download. Now after downloading the dictionary, open the source that you want to translate, tap and hold on the word. Now as you can see, the dictionary will be defaultly selected to English. To use the dictionary in another language, maybe you've downloaded it, tap on it, and then just select the dictionary you want to use. And unless you change it back right from here, your previously selected dictionary will be your default dictionary. So this is how simply you can change the dictionary on your Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition. Thanks for watching.